plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is last week's spread in my Hemlock and Oak using the Coffee Monsters Co. Back to School kit, and I have loved using a kit, which is why this week I will be, where did it go? Set everything, using this kit from Let's Plan It. Oh, this is called Fern. So I got, oh my goodness. I think I got the mini vertical kit. So it came with these 4 sheets, and then I bought the deco sheet to go with it. So I'm hoping to be able to decorate this as well as decorate my Archer and Olive, and then we'll see if I have enough for my horizontal spread. Let's get started. One of the first things I also like to do, now let me show you that I have my ruler, my pen. I did have my pen. My pen. Basically, I should have all of my supplies ready to go. Oh, there it is. My pen and probably a couple of highlighters. But I'm also trying to decide which of these washi will go well. And I really think this one from Together with KX, but I also love this one. And this one, they're all pretty, but I don't think this one, I don't know. This one's from Together with KX as well. No, I feel like it's too springy versus the Fern is a little bit more fall. And if I undo this I think would work really well with that. And then this from Simply Gilded, I forget which one this is, but it's got a bit of an ombre feel to it, and I love the gold. So how do I decide? Hold on, this one's got a bit of a wrinkle in it. Okay, I think we're going to use this from Together with KX, and she's actually based in my city as well, so she's actually not that far from me here in Edmonton. And I love being able to purchase from smaller shops, but also somebody who's local. It's always so fun finding other planners who are local and just appreciate it just as much as you. Love it already. I mean, there's washi strips here too, but I feel like I want to use them elsewhere. Now, how do I want to do this? Because there's full boxes, and now with Monday being a Labor Day, I'm gonna start just randomly put boxes in places. And yeah, there's 4, so maybe I could 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and I mean there's one here, but I might save that for a different one. Yeah, let's do this here. And the green. I might regret doing this later, but we'll see. Yeah, there we go. And this down on Sunday. Perfect. And then I have these, which I might hang on to them first, and I just realized I've got this space up here, so I'm going to put one of these really pretty leaves up here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my sidebar. that sidebar is done, and I actually really like the look of it, I'm gonna go in and do each individual day. But first, before I do that, I need to find the appropriate markers here so that I can, which Tombos do I want to use? So these are the Tombow markers that I will be using. Now I'm just going to go in and draw the line so that I can separate out. Although saying that, I mean, I've seen other spreads where I didn't have the line and I almost preferred it. I don't know. Like this one didn't have a line, but this did. I think I will stick to having the line there. And I'm going to go right in and actually fill out this portion. And if anyone's asking, this Tombow is number 312, and then this one is 992. Perfect, so now that part is filled in, I'm gonna go in and work on each day. So I'm gonna go in each day and actually put this day off sticker for Monday because it is Labor Day, no work, yay, 3-day weekend. But I'm gonna then put this do this stuff sticker, put that down, sorry. I love this sticker, and then just put down that I do have to meal plan and order groceries. And then for Tuesday, I decide to keep things really simple. I draw this arrow for work with a break at the 2:30, 3:30 marks. I have to pick up my kids. And then I just use my Tombow to draw a line across and then just brush letter work. And then take this bullet sticker from the kit and just say that I have to pick up my kids. And then take this do this stuff header and add in that we do have to take the garbages out Tuesday night. Then moving on to Wednesday, I do the same thing for work, but this time with the green Tombow and then using my Tombow Funosuke brush letter in work. And then I actually draw the arrow over the full box for my work hours and then add in that bullet point to pick up the kids. Thursday, work actually starts at 8:30 for me because there's an important town hall meeting. And then it's early day to pick up the kids, so I pick them up at noon instead of the usual 2:50. I actually really love the look of everything, and it's nice to be able to hand letter the word kids, or brush letter, sorry. And then I'm trying to figure out what else I need to do, so take this do this stuff header, and my husband is mopping the floors on Thursday. Then on Friday, I take the groceries sticker and decide to put it down just there at about 8:30, so I'll pick it up right after I drop off the kids. And then I take what sticker did I just take? Now trying to figure out what I just took washing this after. So I take the weekend sticker and place it over Saturday and Sunday. I love this font. Love this font. And then I also write down again that I'm picking up the kids. So this year I am doing the drop off and pick up for the kids, which is the first time I've done it since they've been in school. So this is fantastic. And then on Friday night, that is when I normally do my filming. So I take one of these small boxes and take the Let's Plan sticker and then write down that I have to film my Archer and Olive, Hemlock and Oak, and my horizontal spreads. That's Friday night for me normally. And then moving on to Saturday, I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to mark Robin's horseback riding, but I just take a quarter box and write that in. And then right after that, actually, there's an open house for archery that we're going to go to. Robin's really interested, so I thought we'd go and see what that's all about. And then Saturday night, I'm actually meeting my friend Amanda, and we're either going to have a girls' night in or may go to a restaurant. We'll see, probably a girls' night in. I love girls' nights in. And actually, before I do that, laundry. Always laundry. And I take this Coffee Monster sticker with the wine because there's always wine involved when I go and see Amanda. And I draw the arrow because who knows what time I'm coming home. Then Sunday I put down this washy looking sticker with the cleaning text and then write down the list of all the cleaning that we have to do. The only thing with this, I guess, these bullet points is that they don't match up to the grid in the Hemlock and Oak, but I don't really care too much. Otherwise, love how this kit works in the Hemlock and Oak so much. I am actually really loving the result of this so far. I haven't used a ton of emojis. I've used like 2 emojis because I feel like this particular kit doesn't need much. It's already so expressive from what's here. And I mean, I still have lots for the Archer and Olive that I could use. Shopping or appointment, I could use those. I mean, there's so much that works so well in this, and I'm so happy to have purchased it. Now, I feel like maybe just one more leaf, very carefully, kind of just in the corner. I don't know. I almost want to just leave it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. Put this back very gently and possibly use just one of these just in the corner. I want to rip it, but it's not going to let me rip it, so I have to cut. Oh, I love it. And then I'm going to place the other one right here. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm in love with the kit. I just love the colors of it. I love how easy it was to use, and it's still very, very functional. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.